Good evening, class. Today we are going to start our class with just 2 minutes. That's another form of jam, just a minute. Because Sayantan and Soham, both of you will get a topic and get 2 minutes to speak on. We will begin with Sayantan. Sayantan, you will be speaking on virtual background. Your time starts now.
Virtual backgrounds are a very interesting piece of technology. They come in very handy when you have to do some presentation or something and your room is not tidy or etc. In films also, virtual backgrounds are used in many ways. In films, VFX is especially used, but this technology of virtual background was mainly invented so that we can use it when we are in a location, but we want to depict that we are present in another location. Like that, while I am recording, I am sitting in my room, but I am depicting it that I am sitting in a sea beach. So this is done with the help of the modern computer technology. It is becoming better day by day, and soon we will be able to use virtual background in our daily life also. Like nowadays, virtual background is the amenity present in only Zoom, but I think it will soon be present in the other video conferencing apps also.
You have some more time.
Good night. What to tell? I am not prepared.
But in just a minute, you are never prepared. You have to talk impromptu. Virtual background helps us to get rid of the monotony, and sometimes it helps us to fulfill our dreams and aspirations. Just like I have not switched on my virtual background, but when I switch on my virtual background, outside my window, natural scenery appears. And I often dream to have a house near the seashore. And the picture shows and depicts as if I open the window, I can touch the sea waves or I can touch the trees. Maybe I will not be able to make a house. I may not be able to make a house near the seashore, such a beautiful house, but the virtual background gives me a feeling, real feeling. So that way, actually, you need to talk. You need to expand your thought process. You need to expand your talk. You spoke not even for a minute. So next time, please keep it in mind. Our next speaker is Soham, and Soham will speak on online classes. Your time starts now.
Online classes are something which is very trending now. When when the corona virus started and social distancing and the social distancing was to be maintained by every people, the tuition, the school was all the tuition was and schools were all shuttered down, and that's why many teachers maximum of the teachers started online classes, in which the student and the teachers uh, have classes from the few video conferencing sites such as Zoom, Cisco, and etc. In the video conferencing sites or in the online classes, the teacher is the host of the meeting, and the teacher can share many screens like it is shown in the blackboard. When the teacher writes something in the blackboard, the students follow it, and it is something different in the case of online classes. Means the teacher can share something, and the students can also see it. All the students can see it in the same time, and the education will go on. There are some advantages and some disadvantages of online classes. Some disadvantages of online classes are all the student might have been not regular with the online classes, and they might be discomfortable with it. Like if my internet connection is low, I cannot attend the online classes properly. But there are certain few advantages of online classes, like the teacher can present a concept or present a teaching in a more practical way, like when there is a 3D diagram of heart in the and we draw it in a board, this it is not very interesting. But in the online classes, by sharing this window, the teacher can present it in a more practical way, and the student will love seeing it.
Okay, that was nice. At least you completed the time. And Santon, when the recording is going on, it is not the speaker view. So whatever you are doing that is being recorded, I'm going to send it to you and see for yourselves how it looks like. Now today's task. There will be two tasks initially. Number one, you gave an impromptu talk on this. Santon, video is still on. Please switch on your video. You gave an impromptu talk. Now the task is this: on this topic only, you will write in about 150 words, but the topics will be changed. That is, Soham will write on virtual classes around 120 to 150 words, and Sayantan will write on online classes 120 to 150 words.
So
And
virtual
again,
classes or virtual background?
virtual background, sir, virtual background. And again, you will practice also. Before joining online once again, you will practice several times reading loud so that you can speak in camera, and you will practice that you can speak around 1.5 minutes, that is 90 seconds to 120 seconds. Prepare like that. And second work is, I am sending a link for the YouTube where what you have to do, I have already given the instruction. So that work you have to do. That's the writing section work also. I have explained also how it is to be done. I'm sending the link. So these two works are to be done, and after you have completed, then once again we will join. So I'm not fixing the time. Maybe at around 8:30 we will be able to join, and we will present and conclude the classes.